Hello everyone. Let's dive into the EPOMAKER RT100, a 97-key mechanical keyboard that's trying to stand out from the crowd. Right off the bat, the design is eye-catching, especially this purple version. It's got a retro vibe with modern features, a combination you don't see every day. This keyboard offers versatile connectivity with Bluetooth 5.0, a 2.4G wireless option, and a USB-C port. So, whether you're connecting to PC, Mac, or even a tablet, you've got options. The fact that it's compatible with both Windows and Mac is a big plus for those who switch between operating systems. One of the most interesting features is the customizable display screen. It's a small screen, but you can set it up to show system info, custom animations, or even just the time. It's a fun little addition that adds a personal touch. Then there's the knob, which can be programmed for various functions like volume control, scrolling, or custom macros. It adds a tactile element and extra functionality. The RT100 features a gasket-mounted design with a pour-on layer. This construction aims to provide a softer, more cushioned typing experience. The keyboard also boasts hot swappable sockets, meaning you can easily change out the switches without soldering. This is great for experimenting with different switch types to find the perfect feel. This particular model comes with C salt silent switches, which are known for their quiet operation and smooth keystrokes. If you're working in a shared space or just prefer a quieter keyboard, these switches are a good choice. Inside, there's a 5,000 mAh battery, which should provide a decent amount of wireless use before needing a recharge. The keycaps feel durable, and the overall build quality seems solid. It definitely has some weight to it, which adds to the premium feel. However, it's not perfect. The 97-key layout might take some getting used to if you're accustomed to a full-size or tankulous keyboard. The placement of some keys is slightly different, so there's a bit of a learning curve. Also, while the customizable screen is cool, the software for customizing it could be more user-friendly. It's not the most intuitive interface, but once you figure out, you can create some fun displays. Overall, the EPOMAKER RT100 is a unique and feature-rich mechanical keyboard. It's got a distinctive design, versatile connectivity, a customizable display, and a comfortable typing experience. While it might not be for everyone, especially those who prefer a more standard layout, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for something different.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.